Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Choose the Typeform you want to connect to Google Sheets. Click on the Connect tab located on the left sidebar. In the Connect section, find and select the Google Sheets integration. Click the Add to Typeform button. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. After signing in, grant Typeform permission to access your Google Sheets. Once connected, you'll be returned to the Typeform interface. Now, select the specific Google Sheet where you want to send the data. If necessary, create a new Google Sheet by following the prompts. Next, map the Typeform fields to the corresponding columns in Google Sheets. Make sure each Typeform question aligns with the proper column in your sheet. Once the mapping is complete, click on Save. To confirm the integration, submit a test response in your Typeform. Check your Google Sheet to see if the response has been correctly recorded. If everything looks good, your Typeform is now successfully connected to Google Sheets. For additional customization, explore advanced settings within the integration. You can also set up notifications for new submissions to ensure prompt responses in your workflow. Make adjustments as needed to optimize data collection based on your project requirements. Your Typeform and Google Sheets connection is ready to streamline your data management process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.